Hey y'all, so I'm gonna give y'all my thoughts on the 6x6 closure. So well, let me grab one real quick. I think that makes sense. Do I need to grab one, or should I just let me go grab one? This is gonna be my thoughts on the 6x6 closure. You know, I told you guys, well, I did my video making a wig with a 6x6 closure, and so and then also I had put on my website a few weeks ago that I finally got these in or whatever from my vendor. And so yeah, so this is the one that I just put in. Y'all, I'm not really a baby hair person, but I tried to do the baby hairs because I know like people like it. I don't know, my customers like it and stuff. And it's not that I hate them, I just have a love-hate relationship with it, okay? I had a little time like installing this with a ball cap because I told y'all like I ended up using this cap, and if you can tell, they're two different colors. Like this one, I guess because of the ring light you probably can't tell, but this one like in real life is kind of like goldish, and then the other one is nude. So you can kind of tell on my scalp, like it looks a little orangish to me. I don't know, but I got them from the beauty supply store. Anyways, that's here nor there. I was just saying in case y'all see my little line of demarcation right there. Yeah, I think it's best to get the whiter color ones if you don't have like brown, because I can get away with the brown one though, because you know, I'm dark skinned or whatever. But I mean, if you're lighter or just to be safe, you just get the brighter ones and just put like foundation or concealer or something on it. This is the 6x6 closures, and I'm just gonna tell y'all my thought on it. Me personally, it's not like it's a no for me, but it's unnecessary for me, okay? Because I feel like, I'm not saying it's like that much more work, but I still feel like it's just a little more work. like it's more than what I want to commit to, because you guys know I am not a frontal fan. I'll wear a frontal, but like, I mean, just for maybe video purposes or something, putting them on a client. But as far as for me actually wearing a frontal in my life, you know, maybe. But when I do wear it, I'm at the house. Like, I'm not really trying to go nowhere. And if I did, it would probably be a one-day thing, because yeah, I work out and stuff, so I can't really commit to a frontal, you know, 24/7 or for hours. Because if I go and like do on my walking days, if I went and I did my 7 miles, like that shit would be up, like all by the ear tabs would be lifting, like it would be up. I kind of underestimated the size of these things. Like I didn't think it would be that big. Like I don't know if y'all realize, but these things are huge. And to me, if you want a closure, this is just too much damn space. Like this is just too much space. I mean, unless you want it. I mean, like I said, it's beneficial to people who you know, like the maintenance of a closure, but the look of a frontal, I guess it's okay, but I still feel like this in itself will require more work than just a regular little 4x4 or 5x5. Now, I can't say I do have a 5x5, but I'm not about to grab it. The 5x5 closure to me is my favorite because it's a little more space, a little, you know, just a tiny little more room for you to work with. As far as a closure go, you know, it gives you a little more space than an actual 4x4, and to me it's just enough. To me it's the perfect size. It's the perfect size. And now, I mean, like I said, this 6x6 is fine, you know, if you want a little more space, which is cool. Now when it start getting into like a 7x7, 8x8 and all that shit, like just get a damn frontal, because at some point, like even when you say glueless, like I mean, it still requires something. It's not like you just slapping it on your head and going. I mean, when I did this video, okay, I was gonna I did put the bowl on, and I ended up taking it off because I don't know, it felt itchy to me. I don't know, and it just, I don't know, I took it off anyway. And so like this is not hooked down right now, okay? This is not, you see it? Okay, I moved my cap from in the front because I thought it was looking like buku crazy, and yeah, I just didn't want to, you know, look that crazy. So I ended up just pulling the wig back and snipping some of that cap out the way and just let it, you know, be like it is now. But I said I like to say that even though it's glueless, you still have to put something down, you know, like you still have to put foam lotion or like some got to be, you have to put something to hold it, because what's gonna happen is, I mean, like this is not your scalp, like it's not your actual scalp, it's still something that's sitting on there. So it's not like you could just literally put it on like a hat and go. I mean, you can, but I feel as though the bigger your closure get, the more issues you're gonna have. Same thing with a frontal, you know. So yeah, so my thoughts is, do I like these? It's okay, it's cool. Will I have like 8 wigs of 6x6 closures? No, because I just rather stick with my 5x5. I don't know, I just rather the 5x5. But these are very popular. When I first put these out on my website, and this is my Brazilian Bodywave. When I first put this out, that first like 3 days, like I sold like 43 of these things. Okay, and yeah, so people like them. There's my phone. Yeah, I've only made a few wigs with them. I've only had a few wig orders with these, and yeah, I don't know if people, I don't know if they like it more. I mean, I don't know, people have gotten from installs from me, but they never ordered like wigs with them. Like people are still selecting the 5x5 closures. So yeah, I'm not sure if it's just because like I kind of have like a good bit of older people that purchase from me as well, and they're not really into the let me get something new, or you know, what's the new thing out right now. So maybe that's the case, you know what I mean. But overall, I mean, it's okay, you know, if you want the more space. For me, I'm not a super freaky super baby hair person, so me just having a little space is fine enough. But it is benefits to this, you know, like you do have the deeper parting. I don't really know who wants to part all the way back here, because like this thing go really far back. Like I don't know, it still goes past like about, still at least like 2 or 3 inches past my part that I have right now. I don't know what you would do with a part that long, but I'm sure somebody probably will part it that far. Maybe, I don't know, maybe for another style or something. I'm more of a middle part, side part person. I don't even do deep parts, deep side parts. So I guess for me, it's like, I don't know. That's another benefit, I guess you could say too, because if you did a deep side part, I guess you wouldn't necessarily have to like shift the whole closure. You could just really just place it center mass and then just part all the way to like the very end of this closure and go across. So maybe that's a benefit for it. But as far as it goes, like I said, it's personal. It's all a personal preference. Me, I think it's just too big, it's too much, and you know, but I'm still gonna sell them because people buy them. Currently, I believe I have them priced like $60. I think I have them priced from $60 to $80, and that's only because I get a good price from my vendor, so that's why they're not that expensive. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video now, you guys. Thanks for watching, and you have a great week.